YouTube automation is a smart way to earn money without showing your face or recording videos yourself. Yes, in 2025, you can run a YouTube channel like a business, all done by a team or tools. Step 1. Pick a niche that pays well. High-paying niches attract global views and advertisers who pay more for ads. Step 2. Write a good script. You can write your own or use AI tools like ChatGPT to do it fast. Step 3. Use text-to-speech for voiceover. Pick a natural voice and edit the audio so it sounds smooth and professional. Step 4. Add stock videos or AI-generated visuals. Use free sites like Faceless, Pictory, or AI video generators to match your script. Step 5. Edit the full video with music and effects. Your video must feel clean, smooth, and engaging, even if it's short. Step 6. Upload with SEO title, description, and tags. Use keywords that people in the US, UK, and Canada are searching for. Bonus tip: be consistent, upload daily or weekly. YouTube rewards channels that post regularly with better reach and ad revenue. Now you know how YouTube automation can make you money without showing your face. Start today and build a channel that earns even while you sleep.